Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's video on vegetarian meal prep ideas. As a vegetarian myself, I know how challenging it can be to come up with new and exciting meal ideas that are not only tasty but also nutritious. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of my favorite vegetarian meal prep ideas that you can easily make at home. So, without further ado, let's get started. Breakfast ideas. We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Here are some vegetarian meal prep ideas that are perfect for starting your day off on the right foot. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a quick and easy breakfast option that you can make the night before. Simply mix rolled oats with your favorite milk, chia seeds, and a sweetener of your choice. Let the mixture sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, add your favorite toppings like fresh berries, sliced bananas, or chopped nuts. Tofu scramble. Tofu scramble is a great alternative to scrambled eggs. Simply crumble tofu into a pan with some veggies like bell peppers, mushrooms, and onions. Season with your favorite spices and cook until the tofu is lightly browned. Serve with toast or a whole wheat English muffin. Smoothie bowl. Smoothie bowls are a fun way to get your daily dose of fruits and vegetables. Blend frozen berries, bananas, and spinach with almond milk or coconut water. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and add your favorite toppings like granola, chia seeds, and fresh fruit. Lunch ideas. Whether you're working from home or on the go, these vegetarian meal prep ideas are perfect for a quick and easy lunch. Chickpea salad. Mix canned chickpeas with chopped veggies like cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Add a dressing made from olive oil, lemon juice, and your favorite herbs like parsley or basil. Serve on a bed of lettuce or in a pita pocket. Quinoa bowl. Cook quinoa according to the package instructions and mix with roasted veggies like sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli. Top with a protein like chickpeas or grilled tofu and a dressing of your choice. Veggie wrap. Spread hummus on a whole wheat wrap and fill with your favorite veggies like avocado, spinach, and bell peppers. Roll up the wrap and cut in half for an easy on-the-go lunch. Dinner ideas. Dinner is often the most challenging meal of the day, but these vegetarian meal prep ideas will make it a breeze. Veggie stir fry. Stir fries are a great way to use up leftover veggies in your fridge. Simply stir fry your veggies with some garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. Serve over brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal. Lentil soup. Lentil soup is a hearty and nutritious meal that can be made in a large batch and frozen for later. Simply simmer lentils with chopped veggies like carrots, celery, and onions. Season with your favorite herbs and spices and serve with a slice of crusty bread. Stuffed bell peppers. Cut the tops off of bell peppers and remove the seeds. Stuff with cooked rice, black beans, and corn. Top with shredded cheese and bake in the oven until the peppers are tender and the cheese is melted. Snack ideas. Snacks are an important part of any meal prep plan. Here are some vegetarian snack ideas that are perfect for when you need a quick pick-me-up. Roasted chickpeas. Drain and rinse canned chickpeas and toss with olive oil and your favorite spices. Roast in the oven until crispy and serve as a healthy snack. Energy bites. Combine dates, nuts, and seeds in a food processor and roll into bite-sized balls. These energy bites are a great snack to have on hand when you need a boost of energy. Veggie sticks with hummus. Cut up your favorite veggies like carrots, celery, and cucumbers and serve with hummus for a healthy and satisfying snack. Meal prep tips. Now that you have some ideas for vegetarian meal prep, here are some tips to make the process as easy and efficient as possible. Plan ahead. Take some time at the beginning of the week to plan out your meals and make a grocery list. This will save you time and money in the long run. Cook in batches. Cook larger portions of food and freeze the leftovers for later. This will save you time and ensure that you always have healthy meals on hand. Use versatile ingredients. Choose ingredients that can be used in multiple dishes to make meal prep easier. For example, quinoa can be used in salads, bowls, and stir-fries. Invest in good storage containers. Use high-quality storage containers that are leak-proof and microwave-safe. This will make it easy to transport your meals to work or school. In conclusion, vegetarian meal prep can be a fun and rewarding experience. By planning ahead and using versatile ingredients, you can create delicious and healthy meals that will keep you energized throughout the day. I hope these meal prep ideas have inspired you to try something new in the kitchen. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.